Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get better results with the AI component by leveraging CSS classes and getting very specific with the instructions you give it. Now, here on the screen right now, I have a custom component, and right below it, I have the inspect, or I've inspected the element by just going right click, inspect, and now I can see the code that is going on there. And if we take a look at it, you'll see as we go through it, there's a lot of these classes and they're pretty generically named. They're likely just the Tailwind classes, but it's hard to really do a whole lot with them because they're used throughout the entire document. So let's say I wanted to do something like make rewritten. Oops, if I can write statement red. It may target this. It may target the text that appears in here. It's kind of a gamble of what you're really going to get. So what I want to be able to do though is to tell it target very specifically and only just this. So you can see it didn't really do anything. So what I'm going to do now is just for example, I'm going to duplicate that component now that we're here. And this time what I'm going to do is give it the instruction of set a unique class name on every element of the component. And we're targeting this one right here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And what we're going to end up with is instead of these generic class names, which will still be there, by the way, because they're used by the Tailwind CSS framework, we're also going to get unique class names like, if I go ahead and inspect that, this, rewritten statement title, rewritten statement wrapper. So all of a sudden now what I can do, if I come back to this piece, again, I wanted to target specifically rewritten element, or I'm going to grab this class, rewritten statement title, and it's pretty good about exactly what it is the element is. So I'm going to say make red. So now I'm going to have a much easier time being able to target the specific elements on the page. So that should come out in red here in a second. The other thing you notice, for example, here, sometimes the AI component decides to do its own thing. So it moved that onto its own line. So again, I'm just going to right click, inspect. I'm going to use that unique class name that it created for me. So in this case, I have AI avatar text, but what I probably want is the entire row. So I'm going to use this one, AR avatar wrapper. And I'm going to say on the same row as, what was that? AI message content. So what this does is it makes it very easy to now target very specific elements. It makes it easier for the AI to know exactly what it is you're talking about, and you'll have a much higher success rate, spend less time struggling with it and wrestling around with it. And there we go. So hopefully this helps out, and take care. Reach out if you have any questions.